In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. The first thing you want to do is search for Registry Editor, right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to click on HKey classes root, click anywhere and press D to come down to the D section. In here we want to look for a folder called directory and mine is right here. After that you want to press drop down, select the shell folder. You don't have to open the shell, just select shell. And in here you want to find the default, double click and set value data to none. So type in none in here and press OK. After that you want to just click anywhere and press L. In here we want to find a folder called LNK file right here. On this file what you want to do is just click on it. And in here if you have something called IS shortcut, then it's fine. If you don't have it, you want to right click, new, and add a string value, which you're going to call capital I, small s, capital S, shortcut, just like this. Now obviously I already have it, so I cannot create it. But if you don't have it, you want to make one. This is a big I, not a small l. So IS shortcut. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to press anywhere and press D again. Then we want to find the directory right here, find the shell and drop down. Then you want to find CMD and find, and you want to delete these. So right click delete on both of these. Now mine already works, so I don't have to do this, but just do that and then you can close this down. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here we're going to type these 4 commands and we're going to type them one by one. So first is sfc space /scannow. Press enter and then it's going to start scanning your PC. It can take a few minutes, so just wait for it to be 100%. Then you're going to type the next one, press enter, then the next one, enter, then the next one, enter, and then you can close it down. Once you've done all of that, just restart your PC and now it should work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.